After becoming a topper of my 12th board, I was invited by my college to deliver a speech to the lecturer, but I couldn't make it. So instead, I recorded a video and I sent it over to them. I don't know if that video was ever played, nor did I ever ask. Today, I'm going to share that story with you all. Back in 1950, there was a 25-year-old man named Roger Barrister. He was considered as the best medal distance runner, and he belonged to medical school. But after his recent defeat in Olympics, he was disappointed and he wanted to leave athletics forever. But before giving up on athletics, he set up a goal for himself, becoming the first ever man to run a mile within 4 minutes. Mind you, running a mile within 4 minutes was considered as impossible back then. Many runners tried it, but they never succeeded. The closest they could ever get was 4 minutes 1 seconds. It was physically impossible to run at a pace to cover a mile within 4 minutes. Doctors and scientists said that one might die before completing the race. But Roger was stubborn about this idea and he went ahead. He used his medical knowledge and planned a vigorous training system for himself. After months of training, the day he was practicing for arrived. It was 6th of May 1954 and along with him 5 other participants prepared for the same. After the race, when the results were declared, Roger not only completed the race, but he set a new record for himself. He beat the record in 3 minutes 59.4 seconds. He beat the record by only zero point 0.6 seconds. A record that was once considered as impossible had now become possible. Till date, over 1700 athletes have broken this record, and the record stands at 3 minutes and 43 seconds. Something that was considered as impossible is now being done by a lot of people. From this story, we see that most of the limitations that we put on ourselves are just mental barriers. We are capable of a lot more things, but to stay in our comfort zone, we put some limitations in place. But once someone or something breaks this limitation, we start wondering whether it is possible or not. And once they believe it to be possible, it becomes easier to do so. Before my 12th, I never was a topper. The highest I scored was in my 10th, 86.4%. And after scoring that, I felt that I could have done more. I could have scored more. And to avoid that feeling, I saw my 12th boards as an opportunity to redeem myself. My 12th boards was a redemption arc of mine. Most of the times, you won't regret the things that you do. You will regret the things that you don't do. So go after your impossible. Maybe it is possible. So that's all for today, and I'll see you next week.